What's up there, viewers? In this video, I will show you how to extend line in AutoCAD. So let me start with the most difficult. There are several ways to extend. For example, I have this line here. It is a continuous line, and I have this line here, which um, intersects this line, this continuous line, at this point. So if I want to extend this line to this point, you need to go to this trim. You can see trim at the top and change this one to extend. So I'll select that object and that object. Then right click. You can either right click or hit enter in your keyboard. Then, so let me repeat. Click extend and then select the objects. Click enter in the keyboard and then you can select either crossing or edge. So I'll select crossing and then specify first corner. I'll specify the top corner, just like that. So I can use the same process here. Extend, hit enter, then crossing. Because these two lines are not, this is not continuous here. You cannot use that extend command. So you need to use fillet. You can select fillet and then select radius. My radius is 0. Enter. Then I can either select multiple or just like that. I can repeat the process. Then now select multiple. So it's scaling, don't worry. Okay. Now the last way is I have these two lines. I can just select both of them and then type join. Because those two lines are in the same grid. So I can just use join command. So you can extend this one to this point here. Select both, hit enter, closing. So guys, that is all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.